Students, how are you? Hope you are all safe and enjoy the Diwali vacation. From this day, we are going to start section 1, that 1.1, an astrologer's day. The writer of this lesson is R.K. Narayan. Okay. First of all, we have to discuss about the icebreakers which are given on page number 1. You have to open the book, your textbook, and understand the point. Okay. Now, look at these points. Discuss with your partner and complete the activity. What are your strengths? The three columns are there: strengths, why do you feel so, and dream career. Okay, what is your potentials and what is your strength? You have to discuss about this and you have to write the points of your potential. First is given here: painting and drawing. This is one of person's potentials, and why do he feel so? Because he can visualize or express himself by painting or drawing. And what is the career of your potential? That is commercial. You will become potential, sorry, commercial artist, cartoonist, etc. In this way we have to discuss our potentials and what do you feel about this, and you have to write the career related to that strength. Next example, we can say that singing, dancing, thereafter teaching, etc. Why do you feel so? Because if we write singing, then why do you feel so? Because it may be possible that voice is there is a melody in your voice, and which is your career related to that, your potential, that is singer. You will become singer. Okay, in this way you have to discuss with your partner, your friend, and you have to write your potentials, and you have to write your career regarding to that potentials. Next point is that the scene in the local market of village or town or city is very attractive. People with different occupations sell their wares. Discuss with your partner and variety of activities at the local market. We have to write when we go to the local market in our town or village or city, then what scene is there, what kind of the scene is there, occupations are there, we observe that. You have to write here. First is also given here, that selling flowers, selling grocery, etc. Now you can write what do you see in the market. What is the next point? That is selling the garment, clothes. Third point, we can say that there are the shops of imitation jewelry. It means selling of imitation jewelry. Then fourth point, we can say that there is a stalls of snack food, fast food, etc. Then sometimes we see in that local market that shops of steel, earthwares, etc., earthenwares, etc. मिट्टी के जो बर्तन बने हुए होते हैं ना, वो शॉप्स भी वहाँ हम देखते हैं लोकल मार्केट में. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट in village or town or city, it is a quite common sight to see astrologer sitting by the roadside with his professional equipments. Discuss with your partners and list the requirements for his trades. You know that we can say that it is a fair, and we in fair we can see the we can see the astrologer who was sitting, who will sit by the roadside, and there are some equipments with him. Astrologers means a person who predicts something what will happen in future. भविष्यवेत्ता जिसे कहेंगे, ज्योतिष. ओके. तो उसके पास कौन कौन से इक्विपमेंट्स रहती है? जैसे एक दिया है पैराट रहता है, उसके पास कार्ड्स रहते हैं अलग अलग तरह के जिस पर नाम लिखी रहे होते हैं. फिर द पर्सन वॉज वेयरिंग बेर्ड, धोती, टर्बन. Okay, then we can say that different kinds of the dried leaves on which something is written on that leaves. We can see that cowries, coins, then shells we can see with him. These are the requirements for his trade or for his occupation. Okay. There are certain unreasonable beliefs among the people living in our society. ओके. अनरिजनेबल बिलीफ्स, जिसे क्या कहेंगे हम, अंधश्रद्धा, है ना. तो सर्टन कॉमन इवेंट्स आर लिंक्ड विद द सुपरस्टिशंस. ओके, दीज आर द सुपरस्टिशंस. we have to list that superstitions. First is given here, that is a cat crossing your path, है ना. कौन कौन से सुपरस्टिशन सोसाइटी में दिखते हैं, जैसे कि कैट क्रॉसिंग योर पाथ, व्हाट विल हैपन, समथिंग विल bad, it is bad omission, we can say that. Okay, like that, spilling of milk, spilling of salt, then breaking of glass, wearing black clothes for auspicious फंक्शन, कुछ अच्छे फंक्शन के लिए या धार्मिक फंक्शन में अगर हम ब्लैक क्लोथ्स वेयर करते हैं तो भी इसे सुपरस्टिशन माना जाता है. दैट वी कैन से दैट अनरीजनेबल बिलीफ्स अमंग द पीपल. ओके, here is one word is given, that last line you have to see that here, mean of their, the superstition links with them and means of their eradication. What is mean by eradication? In short, we can say that the destruction of something, that is eradication. So there are some ways of eradication. How can we eradicate the superstitions which will we find in the among the people? The only means of eradication is through education, scientific attitude. It is very important that we must be developed scientific attitude in our society. Then religious heads must also counsel and guide their followers. The elder in families must also get rid of old beliefs. These are the some means of eradication. Okay, eradication, इट मीन्स सुपरस्टिशन को हमें अगर डिस्ट्रॉय करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, कौन कौन से मीन्स है, कौन कौन से वेज है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एजुकेशन इज मस्ट. देन वी हैव टू डेवलप द साइंटिफिक एटीट्यूड अमंग द पीपल. देन जो रिलीजियस हेड्स होते हैं उनके द्वारा भी हम सुपरस्टिशंस को डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. और एल्डर इन अवर फैमिलीज ऑल्सो गाइड their family members to get rid of old beliefs. In this way, we can eradicate that superstition from society. Okay, now we are going to start the lesson, that is astrologers and astrologers day. The writer of this lesson is R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. The full name of R.K. Narayan is Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami. He was one of the best known novelists among Indian English writers. In short, what can we say that? मी हा पॅसेज काही पूर्ण वाचत नाही आहे. शॉर्टमध्ये मी सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करते. हू वॉज आर के नारायण. आर के नारायण वॉज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट इंडियन रायटर्स ऑफ हिज जनरेशन रायटिंग इन इंग्लिश. Okay, he is the finest writers, Indian writer. Okay, his style is a graceful and humorous. In last line it is given, his style is graceful and humorous, elegant, and his style is also very simple. He wrote about small time life in the South India. His novel The Guide won him the Sahitya Akademi Award. Sahitya Akademi Award. ओके, उसके उनका जो द गाइड ये जो नॉवेल था उसके लिए उनको साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड भी मिला था. ओके, देन द स्टोरी ऑफ एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स डे हैज आयरॉनिक एलिमेंट्स वेयर द एस्ट्रोलॉजर प्रिटेंड टू हैव supernatural knowledge that coincidentally turns out to be the truth. Okay, it is the irony. And in this lesson we have to understand that the astrologer who pretend that he have a supernatural knowledge, but coincidentally it turned out to be truth. This is the important part of this lesson. What points we should understood in this lesson? The first of all, we have to discuss about the first passage, that we have to understand meaning of astrologer. Then astrologer's appearance, how he looked, or what he wear. Then a remarkable place in the town hall park where the astrologers do his business or his profession. Then there are some vendors in the town hall park, the fancy names of vendors of fried groundnuts. Then we can understand that grammar and vocabulary. One more thing is here, that code mixing. Code mixing we should also understood here. Then we can understand that the suffix and prefix also. Okay, these are the points to be understood from this passage. From next day we are going to we will start the passage of this lesson. Okay.